Welcome back to the Engineering Arc channel. If you're a beginner and wants to learn Java from scratch and gradually move towards advanced programming language, then you have come to the right place. In this new Java tutorial playlist, I'm going to do tutorial of Java step by step from absolute basics to advanced concepts and coding. So, अगर आप एक बिगनर है और अगर आपको कोडिंग करना है, if you want to learn Java from basics, you don't know anything, then I have made a Java tutorial playlist जहाँ पे मैं अपना notes, this is my note, I will do the tutorial of Java programs, how to write programs. Even if you have not written a single line of code before, you don't know coding C also, then this video is perfect for you. I will teach you from the basics, from scratch. Not basics actually, from scratch. Okay. So whether you have never coded before, never written Java code before, or you already have a little programming experience, you can definitely follow this series. And in today's video, we are going to start with the most basic things, writing our first Java program. Yes. Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write your first Java program. Okay. So before moving to the program, first I wanted to show you my notes. This is my notes, Java handwritten note. I have shared you the page 1. Each video, I will do the playlist. In each video playlist, I will share notes, exactly what I will teach today. That notes only I will share in my comment box. You can access it from there as per my tutorial. This is my tutorial number 1. So this is what I'm going to teach you, and this is what note I have shared with you. मतलब हर एक वीडियो में जो भी ट्यूटोरियल में पढ़ाया जाएगा, सिखाया जाएगा आप लोगों को, accordingly notes shared कर दिया जाएगा. So in first video, I'm going to teach you this, which I have shared the notes with you. So no issue regarding this. So now, what is Java? See, this is what. Java is an object-oriented programming language. It was originally called OAK by James Gosling. He is one of the inventors of Java. It is a popular high-level programming language that is widely used for building different types of applications. One of the biggest advantages of Java is its portability. You may have heard the phrase, write once, run anywhere. This means that Java code can run on different systems with the help of the Java Virtual Machine or JVM. Java is also widely used in software development, backend development, enterprise applications, Android development, and many other areas. So, throughout this playlist, we'll start from the fundamentals. We'll learn things like variable, data types, operators, loops, arrays, strings, methods, everything. And after building a strong foundation, we will gradually move towards more advanced Java concept and practical coding. So make sure you follow the complete playlist rather than watching only 1 or 2 videos. I will share you everything with you, the notes, the lessons, everything. You only have to do 2 things. First, save the playlist in your YouTube, save the playlist and subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss any Java tutorial notifications or videos. And if you like it, then share it with your friends also and comment down. So now I will discuss about my notes. First, I will teach you how to write a program. So for writing program, we use IntelliJ IDEA. This is an integrated development environment or IDE, which makes writing, managing, running Java programs much easier. So now let's move to the practical part. अब practical part में चलते हैं. बट उससे पहले आप ये प्लेलिस्ट सेव कर लो और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो सो दैट कोई भी नोटिफिकेशन हो, कोई भी जावा ट्यूटोरियल से रिलेटेड कोई भी वीडियोस हो इन फ्यूचर, यू नॉट मिस इट आउट. So let's move to the practical part. I'm opening IntelliJ IDEA. So we have opened IntelliJ IDEA. Now this is my previous program. It's nothing you have to worry. You will download IntelliJ IDEA. Then you will move to new, then here projects, project in Java. You will name your project. Like I will name it Java tutorial. Java tutorial, and I will create my project. This window, see, Java tutorial. New project is created. Now this is what all the stuff's nothing worry. Don't worry anything. These are loops. We will write basic code first. Basic things. Okay. So wait. I'm cleaning it everything. So that suppose my class name is main.java. Okay, my class name is main.java. In the first line, what I have to write is my class name. Class main. As it is, Java is a case sensitive language. मतलब अगर कैपिटल में लिखा है तो कैपिटल, स्मॉल लिखा है तो स्मॉल. मीन्स कैपिटल एंड स्मॉल आर ट्रीटेड डिफरेंटली. They are not same. Okay, so class main I have written. Now this is parenthesis, curly brackets is known as parenthesis. Okay, curly brackets is known as parenthesis. Public void main. Wait, shortcut to write is main, then public void main string args. Okay. Now system dot out dot println. We will write here hello. Wait. Hello world. Basic programming. Semicolon is must. See, this is parenthesis. Curly bracket is known as parenthesis. Okay, तो curly bracket class का बंद हुआ, उसके आगे main comment करना. So this is mains parenthesis closed, and this is class parenthesis closed. Okay. Now let us run this code. This is where you will run this program. Okay. So run it. You will click here and your program output will come. See, hello world. It is printed. Your output is written here. So congratulations. Practice with me side by side. Don't just watch video. Download your IntelliJ IDEA, open it and write the code what I am writing. I will explain each and everything, but first write the code what I am writing. And if you are doing the same, then congratulations, you have written your first Java program. Congratulations. In the comment section, everyone will write and clap for yourself that you have written your first Java program. So now what is main, what is public static void main? This might look confusing, but don't worry. We will not learn or memorize everything. We will understand each and everything in further videos. Now I will explain you each and everything in line by line with my notes. Okay. So first, let me open my notes for you. So this is, I have opened my notes. I hope you can see here. Now, this is a basic structure of a Java. Let's understand it. See this package form.company, you can write, it's optional, you write or you may not write. So now you don't have to understand this, what it is. You understand from here. Public class main. You can write public, or if you don't write public, it's not mandatory. You may write public, you may not write public. See, here I'm writing public. Sorry, not in caps lock, but in alright. See, it is a case sensitive language. I'm telling you again and again. Public class main. This is main is the name of a class. See here. Main.java. Java will be written everywhere. Main is the name of the class. As it is, you will write the name of the class. If you have written main M small letter, you will write here in small letter. As I have written in capital letter, I have written class also in capital letter. So both will be same. Okay. Now, public static void main string args. This, you understand, it is an entry point into the application. Okay. This is the entry point into the application. What is void return type? What is public access modifier? Okay, so this might look confusing that everything, what is this, what is that? You don't have to memorize it. You don't have to memorize it for now. Just read it, just understand it. As we move further, as we go further, you will understand each and everything. Slowly, slowly. See, जब भी हम कोई एक लैंग्वेज सीखते हैं तो हमें टाइम लगता है, हम एक बार में नहीं सीखते हैं. फिर चाहे वो हिंदी हो, इंग्लिश हो या कोई भी लैंग्वेज हो, कोई भी थर्ड लैंग्वेज जो आपको आता है. So it takes time. So Java is a language of computer, but it is a language ना. So it will take time. Time लगेगा, ठीक है. So एक बार में इतना कुछ समझना, it might look confusing, it might look hard, but it's not so. धीरे धीरे हम प्रोग्राम करेंगे, एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे और हर चीज का मतलब समझेंगे. But you have to follow the playlist. So you have understood? You have to just only watch and practice at the same time my video attentively and honestly. Then you will able to understand each and everything without any problem. At first, it might look confusing and might look hard. So let's move on, but slowly slowly समझ में आने लगेगा. So ये जो system.out.println हम लोग ने लिखा है, this means for printing, means this means that the hello world is getting printed. It is shown, na output is shown. So print ho gaya. For printing, we have to write this. This is the end of main function. We call this main function. Let me use pen here. See. Wait. See. इस पूरे को मेन फंक्शन कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? मेन फंक्शन. This is my class. ठीक है. And this is end of main function. इसको parenthesis कहते हैं, पहले बताया था. और this is end of class. ठीक है. ये पूरा एक syntax होता है. What is syntax? Syntax is a structured way or a set of rules to write a program. Means अगर कोई भी प्रोग्राम आपको लिखना है, these two are compulsory, class and main function. इन दोनों के बिना प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट ही नहीं कर सकता. Even though if the logic is right, it will call or it will tell syntactical error. Okay. Syntax error. Sorry, syntax error. Syntax error syntax मतलब क्या होता है पहले? Syntax मतलब set of rules or the structured way of writing something. ठीक है. ये दोनों rules है, माने ये दोनों जावा में आपको लिखना ही पड़ेगा. Okay. You will have to write this in your code, then only it will run. Hopes it is clear. Now, how Java works? Source code. Source code means what I have written this, it is a source code. Now it is getting compiled. What I have written here is bytecode. Bytecode मतलब जो मिडिल का लैंग्वेज है, मशीन लैंग्वेज जो समझता है, सोर्स कोड से मशीन लैंग्वेज तक ट्रांसलेशन करने के लिए बाइट कोड यूज होता है. एंड मशीन लैंग्वेज वी नो इट इज 0 and 1. ओके. So now what about comments? Comments क्या होता है? Comments are non-executable statements, code and improve readability. Statements that explain code and improve readability. Means मतलब कि comments क्या होता है? ये execute नहीं करता है. एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करता है बट कोड को समझाने में हेल्प करता है. इट इज हेल्पफुल फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द कोड. व्हाट आई हैव डन इज सी आई वांट टू राइट अ कमेंट हियर. ओके, that I this line means printing the hello world. Okay, so I will use backslash. Double backslash means, and I will write here printing the hello world. So दिस लाइन विल नॉट एग्जीक्यूट. ये लाइन एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करेगा जब हमने डबल बैकस्लैश दिया है. ठीक है, अगर डबल बैकस्लैश नहीं देते तब यहाँ पे एरर दिखाता. देखो एरर इज शोइंग. सो क्योंकि एग्जीक्यूट कर जा रहा है. डबल बैकस्लैश का मतलब है कमेंट. कमेंट देने से एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करेगा और हमें पता चलेगा कि इस लाइन का मतलब क्या है. सो इट helps to understand codes. So there are three types of comments. Single line comments जो डबल स्लैश देके होता है. ठीक है, मल्टी लाइन कॉमेंट्स जो मल्टी लाइन दे करके होता है. एंड डॉक्यूमेंटेशन मतलब मल्टी लाइन मतलब स्लैश देके स्टार्ट, फिर इसके इधर पे लिख के फिर स्लैश देके स्टार्ट, और डॉक्यूमेंटेशन में डबल स्टार देते हैं. ठीक है, नाउ व्हाट इज क्लास, व्हाट इज कीवर्ड्स एंड एवरीथिंग I'll teach you. Let me show you comments first. So this is comments now. This is single line comment. Okay. Now you can do backslash and you can give star. So you can write multiple line of comments here. Means multiple line. ठीक है, इसको close कर दो ऐसे. इस तरीके से close हो जाएगा. Okay. Now one more is there. Documentation comments. वो ज्यादा यूज में नहीं आता है but still we do use them. We do use them. See, documentation comments जैसे यहाँ पर लिखा है ना, these are also documentation. Okay. Documentation. And yes, semicolon is very compulsory. सेमीकोलोन इज वेरी कंपल्सरी. ठीक है, केस सेंसिटिव है तो यहाँ पे एस कैपिटल होगा. अगर स्मॉल लिखते हैं तो एरर आता है. सी स्मॉल लिखा हुआ है, सी शोइंग वन एरर. Okay, so it is a case sensitive, so you will have to be very conscious, be very careful about the cases which is used here. Okay, then only your program will execute. So you can print in anything. It's hello world. I'm going to print, you can print your name here. I'm going to print my channel name. Now I will execute it. See, the engineering arc आ गया. So means you can print here anything. ठीक है, अभी basics I have taught you what is class and what is syntax, what is this basically. Okay, you don't have to understand everything now. एक बार में सब कुछ समझ जाओगे ऐसा नहीं होता है. Slowly you will able to understand it. Okay, slowly start. Now let's move to my notes. Okay, so I'm closing it out. So this is what I have opened. Once again, my notes. Three comments. I hope you understand. Now let us move to the classes. What this class actually is? Class है क्या? A class in Java is a blueprint. God, wait. Yes. A class in Java is a blueprint or template used to create objects. It defines structure, data, and behavior that the objects created from it will possess. Now, इसका मतलब क्या है? What does this means? See, let me give you an example. What is objects? What is class? See, suppose we say a class of we say a class of books. Okay, class of books. And Books means books बहुत तरह के होते हैं. Like if I will tell, physics book, maths book, then chemistry book, English book, and various categories of books. Books are not categorized, means various categories. These are some examples. So ये सब क्या होता है? एक objects. These are considered as an objects. Okay. Books means कुछ भी books हो सकता है, and objects means books क्या क्या है, like physics, maths, chemistry, English, क्या क्या books है. So class in Java is a blueprint or template used to create objects. Okay. Class is one, but objects can be many. Suppose dog, class dog. Dogs are many, German shepherds and many dogs are there. I don't know its name properly, but many dogs are there. Many categories of dogs are there. Bulldogs, this, all dogs are there. So car, class car means car is one, means any company of car like Rolls or what we say, Mercedes or other brand of car. So any company of car, but that will be considered as a car only. Okay. But car is one and objects are different. And phone also, phone class phone. Okay. Phone is one, but its objects are many. Suppose iPhone, Samsung, Realme, Vivo, many things. Many categories or many objects. They are called the objects. But all are different objects, all are different, but we will consider them as a phone only ना, as a mobile phone only we will consider them. मतलब phone है but सब phone ही कहलाएगा ना, companies are different but phone ही कहलाएगा ना. So class is one and in that objects are there. I hope it is clear work. I have given you much examples. Okay, so it defines the structure, data, behavior that the objects created from it will possess. Okay. Now, a class name cannot be a reserved keyword. Yes. Now, what is keyword? What is keyword? I will explain you here. It is written here. It means class का जो name है, like यहाँ पे हम लोग एक name लिखते हैं. First of all, ये case sensitive है. So अगर वहाँ पे file name हम लोग जो देते हैं, वही we have to give class name and case sensitive. अगर main small में दिया है file name में, small में दिया है तो small में, अगर capital में दिया है तो capital है. Case sensitive. This is very, Java is a case sensitive language. Okay. So class का जो नाम है ना वो keywords नहीं हो सकता है. It cannot start with a digit. Like अगर मैं चाहूँ कि class 7 main लिख दूँ, 7 main. No, it cannot be started with the digit. It cannot contain spaces. Space नहीं हो सकता है. It cannot include special characters, but yes, two special characters are allowed. That is underscore and dollar sign. Underscore and dollar sign are allowed. Okay. So, मतलब कि मतलब I want to explain here कि digit पहले नहीं हो सकता है but बाद में conclude हो सकता है. Like if you want to write main 7, that can be accepted. That is acceptable. And it cannot contain space. Space means suppose you will write a word main Java. Suppose main Java. So main and then Java. Wait, I want to show you with an example. Then it will be cleared for you, right? Then you should see. Suppose this is main, main, main. Class name is main. I want to write Java and I have given space here. Main Java. Not acceptable. Not acceptable. Space is not allowed. Instead, you can use the underscore sign or you can use a dollar sign. You can use a dollar sign. Okay. Space is not allowed. No special characters are allowed. Digits in between or in end allowed, but not starting. See, written cannot start with a digit. Okay. Now keywords. What is keyword? I have tell you that it cannot be a reserved keyword. Class name cannot be a reserved keyword. तो कीवर्ड है क्या? देखो, these are the words that carry some special meaning for the compiler and cannot be used as a class name. Compiler means जो source code को बाइट कोड में एग्जीक्यूट करता है फिर मशीन कोड में, दैट इज कॉल्ड द कंपाइलर. ठीक है. सो some special meaning for the compiler cannot be used as a class name or variables. Variables क्या है? Everything I will not discuss in my first video. Okay, everything I will not discuss because एक बार में इतना कुछ intake लेना, it look confusing and tiring and it might look hard. जिन लोगों ने कभी भी सिंगल लाइन ऑफ प्रोग्राम नहीं लिखा है उनको ये बहुत हार्ड लगेगा, बट नो वरीज एट ऑल. ठीक है. सो लाइक केस, स्विच, एल्स. सी एग्जाम्पल इज void everything. See, class. See, class is a keyword. मीन्स क्लास वहां यूज कर सकते हैं, किया हुआ है, तो क्लास नहीं हो सकता है. ओके. सपोज दिस इज पब्लिक ऑल्सो इज अ कीवर्ड. स्टैटिक ऑल्सो कीवर्ड. सी पब्लिक इज अ कीवर्ड. स्टैटिक भी एक कीवर्ड है. ठीक है. फिर दिस ऑल आर कीवर्ड्स, एग्जांपल ऑफ कीवर्ड्स. ठीक है. नाउ वॉइड. क्लास स्मॉल लेटर में है. You can write in capital letter. That is not a keyword because it is a case sensitive. Small letter class will not be considered. Okay. Have you understood what I mean to say? So this is some examples. एक बार में examples याद होगा भी नहीं और याद करने की जरूरत भी. Okay. याद होगा भी नहीं और याद करने की जरूरत भी नहीं. Now it might look a little confusing. Okay. But don't worry at all. We will break down all of these concepts properly in the upcoming video. So don't worry if everything or something is not clear to you right now. Take care. Okay. One more thing I have to say is class का जो naming convention है ना, we use Pascal method here or Pascal convention here. How? Pascal convention is Pascal convention. Means पहला word be capital and second word will be capital. Suppose I want to write. Suppose I want to give my class name my class. Okay, my class. I want to give it like this. Wait. My class. CALLS. My class. Okay. So M भी capital होगा, C भी capital. That is Pascal convention. And for functions, variables, which I have not told you, we use Camel convention. Okay. When I will tell you about variables and functions, then I will tell you. For now, you remember that it is a convention कि class का नाम हम लोग पहला word capital लिखते हैं और उसके बाद अगर दूसरा कुछ है तो वो capital लिखते हैं. Suppose मैं class engineering आर्क अपना चैनल का नाम इंजीनियरिंग आर्क. सो इंजीनियरिंग का E कैपिटल होगा, फिर इंजीनियरिंग, फिर आर्क A कैपिटल, ARC आर्क. So this is what I mean to say Pascal convention. Remember it at P भी capital होगा, C भी capital. Hope so it is clear. I'm repeating it again and again. कि this might look confusing, might look hard and might not be clear. Okay, एक बार में clear नहीं होगा. It will take time. Okay. So पहली बार में हार्ड लग सकता है, कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ सकता है. Nothing to worry. जैसे जैसे हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे in the further upcoming videos, I will teach you, I will guide you, and you will also be able to understand each and everything properly. Give it time. Okay. So that's it for today's video. Today we have learned what Java is, the basic things, and you have written your first codes. Again, congratulations. Okay. So now In the next video, we will start understanding the basic structures of a Java program. We will learn more about variables, data types, and many important and new concepts we will need to learn. Before moving ahead, I will again tell you about these things so that you don't have any problem, you do not face any. Then, if you are learning Java from scratch, make sure to follow this playlist properly and attentively because we will be building our knowledge step by step. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss the upcoming Java tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.